Well, hello there. Glad you could make it. So, you've listed your property in the market and you would like the top dollars. Well, of course, why not? And in this video, I'm going to show you one thing that I do as many times as I can, and that brings in more buyers, drives up the competition, drives up the desirability of the property, and therefore gets the sale happening quicker and with better results. So what is this thing that I do? Well, it's property styling. Every time we list a property for sale, we style it to the best that we can. And today in this video, I'm going to show you two identical properties, one styled and one not, and the big difference it makes. So, every agent says that you do not get second chance at making the first impression. Here's the door, and the first thing that a potential buyer is going to see is how homely this place is. Comfortable, inviting. Here we are at the exact same entrance. No furniture, nothing to sit in. It's a nice clean space. You can imagine putting a sofa here or a coffee table, but these are imagination. This is what the first impression is going to be. An empty space. What do you make of it? Welcome to the master bedroom. How inviting it looks. The stylists have done a pretty good job of coordinating the color, making this place feel so inviting that you just want to jump on this bed like this. Like this. Jump on this bed. This is the same master bedroom, same size, same everything. I suppose there's going to be a comfortable bed here, but at this point in time it's just a rectangle, a box. Yet another bedroom and yet another empty space. I suppose it will become very nice and livable. There's everything here. There is your lights, your built-in, your veranda, everything is here. Just. It's an empty space, therefore different, less appealing in some ways. And here's another bedroom. It is not the master, but look at it. It's still comfortable enough that anyone could feel at home here. This bed is still as inviting for living. Holy I almost broke this. So here's the bed, very nicely laid out and comfortable and all that. You don't have to imagine the bed. You can imagine what you can do with a bed, just so long as you don't break it. This is the mirror copy of the exact same living room I was in a moment ago. Exact same dimension, the fit and finish, colors, the lot. Every detail is same except it's mirrored. However, it's so empty. It's bereft of any comfort here. You can imagine putting couch over here or doing, your decoration, your style, your thing. And nothing's here. What do you make of this space? See the difference? So there you have it. You see the reason why we always try to do our best to furnish a house before selling it. It makes it more appealing. It makes you connect to the space. You want to be here. You don't need imagination because it's already done for you. The fantasy is here. If you buy this property, look at how comfortably you're going to live. It's not a lie, because if you do put a bed there, that is exactly how it's going to look. You can put the couch right there and that is exactly how it's going to look. Just that the story is already told. And that makes the difference. So a simple little tip, that's all I had to share for this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, you take care of yourself.